Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off not just email iPhone. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop at Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to turn off not just email iPhone. So we'll start by opening up your Gmail app. So once on this main screen right here, look on the upper left hand corner where you see like the three white lines right there I'm tapping on. So that's the menu right there. So make sure that you select the three white lines right there on the upper left hand corner. Then you're gonna get you on this page right here, screen I mean. So you can just scroll down a little bit to make sure that you see clearly. You see clear on settings right there. So make sure that you tap on settings. So tap on settings right there. Then for me right here, it shows that I have like more than one email. So make sure that you select on the email that you want to turn off the not just emails. So I'm gonna select on my first one right there. Then it will give me on this screen right here. So make sure that you scroll down a little bit. Keep scrolling down until you find like nudges right there. So make sure you tap on nudges as you guys can see. I'm tapping on nudges right there. So once you are here, since how you see like how everything is like light blue right there. So make sure you tap it off. Make sure that you tap off, and now there's no like light blue right there. That's how you turn off not just email on iPhone. If you have like another question, leave them in comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find it in my video description. As I said earlier, it'll be a way for you to save some money. And thank you for watching.